Hi guys, it's me again. It's a rainy day, and what else is there to do today besides read? Read. So I decided that I would like to read you guys another story, and it is one of my new favorites. It's called The Bad Seed. Do you guys think that somebody that makes bad choices, that it's kind of a habit to make bad choices, do you think that they can change? Do you think that people can change? We're going to read about the bad seed and we're going to kind of see how he makes some changes. The story was written by Jory John. He's the author, and it was illustrated by Pete Oswald. He drew the pictures. The bad seed. I'm a bad seed. A bad seed. Oh, yeah, it's true. The other seeds, they look at me and they say, that seed is so bad. When they think I'm not listening, they mumble. There goes a bad seed. What do you notice about the other seeds' faces? Yeah, they look a little intimidated, a little scared. But I can hear them. I have good hearing for a seed. How bad am I? You really want to know? Well, I never put things back where they belong. I'm late to everything. I tell long jokes with no punchlines. I never wash my hands or my feet. I lie about pointless stuff. I cut in line every time. I stare at everybody. I glare at everybody. I finish everybody's sentences, and I never listen. Library, quiet please. Look at him. He's playing the drums, making noise. And I do lots of other bad things too. Know why? 'Cause I'm a bad seed. A bad seed. I just can't help it. Sure, I wasn't always this bad. I was born a humble seed on a simple sunflower in an unremarkable field. I had a big family, seeds everywhere. We found ways of having fun. We were close. So notice in the picture, he was happy when he was with his family. But then the petals dropped and our flowers drooped. It's kind of a blur. I remember a bag. Everything went dark. And then a giant. I thought I was a goner. I thought I was done for. I screamed and I hollered, but I was spit out at the last possible second. I flew through the air and I landed under the bleachers with a huge thud. When I woke up, it was dark outside. A wad of gum had softened my fall. I felt okay, but something had changed in me. I'd become a different seed entirely. I became a bad seed. A bad seed. I was friend to nobody and bad to everybody. I was lost on purpose and I lived in a soda can. That's right. I stopped smiling. I kept to myself. I drifted. I didn't care and it suited me. Until recently, I've made a big decision. I decided I don't want to be a bad seed anymore. I'm ready to be happy. It's hard to be good when you're used to being so bad. But I'm trying. I'm taking it one day at a time. Sure, I still forget to listen, and I still show up late, and I still talk during movies, and I do all kinds of other bad stuff. But I also say thank you, and I say please, and I smile, and I hold doors open for people. Not always, but sometimes. And even though I still feel bad, sometimes I also feel kind of good. It's sort of a mix. All I can do is keep trying and keep thinking, maybe I'm not such a bad seed after all. Hey, look! There goes that bad seed. Actually, he's not all that bad anymore. I heard that. So, what I noticed in the story is that the seed was happy when he was with his family and something bad happened to him. He wasn't a bad seed. Something bad happened to him that made him feel bad. But he realized that even when you're feeling bad, if you do the right thing, it will make you happier. And did he do the right thing all the time? No, none of us do. We don't always do the right thing, but when we try, things go much easier and we are much happier. Enjoy this rainy day, guys. I miss you and I will see you soon. Bye.